5 years after the American economy went south, jobs are still hard to come by. That's why Macon County officials are giving it their best effort in trying to help people here find employment. Recently, 62 people who live here in Macon County attended a job fair here at the Macon County Welcome Center. They're all here for the same reason.
I'm hoping to find another job soon, because my one job I have right now is not really doing me too much good. So I'm trying to, get back into work because it's not really making me a lot of hours.
I came here to try to get a job. Well, I got a house, so I'd say I need a job to pay bills and stuff.
Subaki Automotive from Portland held this job fair in Lafayette on Tuesday, April 16th. Officials say they've heard good things about Macon Countyans' work ethic and hope to hire as many as 15 people.
I am very hopeful. I have a very high expectations, and I heard a really good things about Macon County and their residents and people here. So I'm really looking forward to that.
Well, Barry, I'm excited about this job fair.
Macon County Mayor Shelby Linville knows how important it is to have job fairs for local residents.
Of course, with the way the economy is now, we've got a lot of people that's out of jobs, that needs jobs. And this company's been in business since, I believe, 1987, so it's a well-established company. And I just feel like this is an excellent opportunity for people in this area to obtain the job that maybe they've been searching for.
Everyone who showed up for this job fair hopes to be working for the Portland business soon.
Yeah, I'm very committed to this because I really need a job. I really need to get back into work. Otherwise, things are just not going to go right.
There's a lot of people that's maybe, as far as that goes, even maybe has gone to college, gone to school, and can't get a job in the field that they majored in, things of that nature, and have been having to, say, take jobs at a lesser level maybe than what they, like I say, majored in or their experience in. And so there's not a lot of jobs available out there, and I was just excited when this lady called me and said, Shelby, we need anywhere from 10 to 15 qualified applicants at this particular point. And so I told her, I said, yes, we'll be glad to help you and host it and do everything we can, and hopefully it'll be good for the citizens of Macon County that's looking for a job.
Adrian Ward tells me he was thrilled to hear about this job fair. He knows how tough it is these days to get a good job.
It is hard. I mean, you could look anywhere and anywhere, and all you can do is fill out applications, and there's like maybe a 50% chance of getting one, of actually getting a job. I mean, if they don't think you have the right qualities to do a certain job, they're definitely not going to hire you. So the best thing you can do is just do your best and pray and hope that you get a job.
Probably what all the other job seekers here would tell you as well. Reporting in Macon County, Barry Hyatt, NCTV.